we are going to learn about the topic Young's double slit experiment. Let us take here two slits A and B. Distance between the two slits is small d. Then O is the midpoint. So distance between A to O d by 2, O to B also d by 2. Next, screen is placed between the distance of capital D. Distance between slit and screen is capital D. Distance between the two slit is D. Then draw the line from O to screen, A to screen, B to screen, O to O dash, then S1, S2. Then A to O d by 2. So S1 to O dash also d by 2. O to B d by 2. O dash to d by 2 also d by 2. Now monochromatic light is incident on the slit. Monochromatic light means the light has the coherent source. It has same wavelength and the same phase. When the monochromatic light is incident on the slit, what happen? The rays, all the rays from two slits meet at a point B on the screen. So not only the wave front start from A and only, the wave front started from A to B at all the points. At all the points, wave front passes from the slit and incident on the screen at a point B. So at that point, intensity is maximum. Now find out the path difference between AB and BP. AB and BP. So O dash to B taken as a x. What is the value of P2 S1 x minus d by 2? Then what is the value of P2 x2? So P2 O dash x, O dash to S2 d by 2. So taken as x plus d by 2. Now find out the path difference between the two waves. BB minus AB. PP longer distance, AB shorter distance. So BB minus AB is equal to path difference. So now triangle B S2 B. BP squared is equal to P S2 squared plus S2 B squared. BB squared is equal to P S2 squared minus S2 B squared. B2 S2 is equal to capital B. Sorry, plus then S2 B is equal to x plus d by 2 the whole square. Then AB squared is equal to, so the triangle A S1B, AB squared is equal to A S1 squared plus B S1 squared. A S1 squared plus S1 B squared. A2 S1 capital D plus S1B is equal to x minus d by 2 the whole square. Then BP squared minus AB squared is equal to d squared plus x plus d by 2 the whole square minus d squared plus x minus d by 2 the whole square. Then BP squared minus AB squared is equal to d squared, apply a plus b the whole square. So x squared plus d by 2 the whole square, d squared by 4 plus 2x d by 2. Then minus d squared, apply a minus b the whole square. So x squared plus d by 2 the whole square, d squared by 4 minus 2ab, so 2x d by 2. So 2 cancel, 2 cancel. So d squared plus x squared plus d squared by 4 plus xd minus, multiplying by minus d squared minus x squared minus d squared by 4 plus xd. So d squared minus d squared, x squared minus x squared, d squared by 4 minus d squared by 4 cancel. So equal to 2xd. BP squared minus AB squared is equal to. We find out the value of BB minus AB. So A squared minus B squared is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So apply the formula PP plus AB into BB minus AB is equal to 2xd. So the distance BB plus AB is nearly equal to D. PP is equal to AB is equal to, or the sum of the value is nearly equal to 2D. BP plus AB, the distance is equal to sum of the 2D, sum of the value of 2D. Then substitute 2D. PP minus AB is equal to del. So into del is equal to 2xd. So 2 cancel. Del is equal to x small d divided by capital D. Then there are two types of fringes can be obtained. One is the bright fringes, another one is the dark fringes. When the image is obtained on the screen, so what happen on the central fringes has bright fringes. Central bright fringes. Central fringes, bright fringes alone. Bright fringes alone formed at the center. Intensity will be maximum. Intensity will be maximum. Next, what happen? Dark and bright fringes are continuously formed on either side. So first dark fringes obtain on either above and below. Then first bright fringes, second dark, So bright and number of bright and dark fringes are formed either side of the screen, above and below of the screen. What happen? All fringes are equal width. All fringes are equal width. So that is very important. Now obtain the condition for constructive interference and destructive interference. What is mean by constructive interference? Crest of the one way meet at crest of the other waves, or trough of the one waves meet at the trough of the other waves. What happen when the intensity will be maximum, amplitude is maximum. So constructive interference means bright fringes will be obtained. Intensity maximum. Intensity is maximum. So del is equal to n lambda. Condition del is equal to n lambda. We have obtained the formula del is equal to x small d divided by capital D. Is equal to x small d divided by capital D. Where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. N represents a order. 0 represents a 0 order. In 0 order, what happens? Central bright fringes is obtained. Central bright fringes obtained. N is equal to 1 means first bright fringes. N is equal to second bright fringes. Then, so n lambda is equal to x d by capital D. Two equations, both are left del. So n lambda is equal to x d by d, where x is equal to n lambda capital D divided by small d, where x gives the distance from central bright fringes to nth bright fringes, first bright fringes, or second bright fringes. What is mean by x? Gives the distance from central bright fringes to nth bright fringes. Central bright fringes to nth bright fringes. Next, destructive interference. So crest of the wave meet with the trough or trough of the one wave meet with the crest, what happen? Net displacement is 0, amplitude 0, intensity also 0. So intensity is equal to 0 or minimum intensity. Torque fringes will be obtained. Torque fringes will be obtained. So what is the condition? Where del is equal to n lambda for the constrict difference. Now additional path difference lambda by 2. When the lace passes from one medium to another medium, which undergoes additional path difference of lambda by 2. So 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. Del is equal to, we have obtained the formula del is equal to x small d divided by capital D. So both the sides, left side same. So 2n plus 1 lambda by 2 is equal to x d by d, where x is equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2 capital D divided by small d, where x gives the distance from central plate fringes to nth torque fringes. X gives the distance from central plate fringes to nth torque fringes. So where n is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to, then 0 is not possible because 0 order plate fringes, central plate fringes alone form, not for the central torque fringes. So n equal to 1 first torque fringe, 2 second torque fringe, 3 third torque fringes. Now our aim to find out the bandwidth of the Young's double slit experiment. What is mean by bandwidth? Distance between two successive plate or torque fringes. For example, distance between first plate fringes to second plate fringes. First plate to second plate fringes bandwidth beta. The same concept, first torque fringes to second torque fringes. What is the value? Both are equal. The distance between successive plate or torque fringes is called bandwidth. So beta is equal to x n plus 1 minus xn. Distance between n plus 1th fringes to nth fringes, third fringes to second fringes, or second fringes to first fringes. So substitute. Then where x is equal to n lambda d by d. So you got there are two possibilities for the constrictive and destructive difference. Destructive difference x equal n lambda d by d is very simple formula comparing to the 2n plus 1 lambda by 2 d by d. So we have to take any either one. Now I have to take simple formula x is equal to n lambda d by d, n plus 1. Substitute n is equal to n plus 1 minus xn is equal to n lambda d by d. So expand n lambda d by d plus 1. So plus lambda d by d minus n lambda d by d. So n lambda d by d cancel. Beta is equal to lambda capital D divided by small d. So very important question. Thank you.